Hi, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. It feels good to really say that. Yeah, for the longest time, I've been wanting to do this. I'm sure you've heard it. It actually is true. A lot of persons want to jump on something, but for some reason, you just keep procrastinating, and then it just prolongs the successes. You must have really taken the bull by the horn and done that thing you wanted to do. So, without much further ado, on this channel, we're going to be talking about personal development, lifestyle, money, and faith. And so you can tell that I'm not niching down, well, at least not yet. Yeah. My name is Vera Uzoma, and I am a voiceover artist and a data entry expert. And so, with all that said, I want you to go on this journey with me. And if all that I said resonates with you, hit the subscribe icon. Let's journey together. Bye for now.